selling your car privately? Here's what you need to know. As the seller, you'll need to gather and fill out some documents. You'll need a certificate of title, an odometer statement if the car is less than 10 years old, and you might need a rebuilt from salvage disclosure if the car has sustained enough damage in the past. After you have a serious buyer, the next step is to fill out a bill of sale. You can get a copy online at the Louisiana DMV's website. Next, you'll need to transfer the title to its new owner. You'll need to hand over the current title, have all the previous documents filled out, and exchange payment. If you need a replacement title, you can request a replacement by submitting the duplicate title affidavit form shown on screen. Next, Louisiana requires you to fill out a notice of transfer form. This document removes you from liability in case the vehicle is involved in any sort of legal trouble in the future. Once you've handed over the title, you'll need to hang on to your old license plates. Be sure to remove them from the vehicle before the new owner takes possession. If you want, you can register those plates to another vehicle that you own. Want to make your next sale safe, simple, and secure? Check out privateauto.com.